Hey everyone. So I was coming home, I guess about an hour ago, and was at a red light, and when it turned green and I went to go, my car was really struggling for power. So of course I got to praying, calling on God to just get me home. I wasn't that far from home. Then when I turned on my road, it was really losing power, and I pulled onto the land I live on, and just got to right here to park it, and it had no power. And I shut it off, and then I turned it back on, and this is there goes, what did I name him? Spunky. This is the sound that I get. Not good. Hear that? Oh Lord. So I believe the alternator has died. It's the original alternator, so 20 years old. My battery light, as you know, has been coming on and off, and the battery is just about a year old. Not too long ago, I took my car to 2 different places, or 3 actually, for a battery check: O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and Valvoline. And my battery is okay. 1 or 2 of the places did say that it could be a sign of the alternator. I guess that's what it was. But thank God that the Lord saw fit to get me home. I'm not stuck by the side of the road. I did go to the laundromat. Well, this morning I dropped my Sadie off, my Chihuahua, at my friend's that does her nails, and got her nails cut. Then to a laundromat, and I did a video in my car, alive actually. And then I went and picked up Sadie and made it home. I don't know what I'm going to do except just keep worshiping God through it all and trusting Him to work it out. God knows that to have my car running is a necessity here. We don't have no public transportation, and I can't afford Uber for here and there. And today is what, the 25th or 26th, so check day for me is not till the 3rd. It would have been much harder to be stranded by the side of the road and with Sadie. That would have not been good, but God brought me home. And I'll have to see about trying to get some chicken feed and Sadie's food. I couldn't go out and get it while I had Sadie, and I had to go pick her up right after the laundromat because my friend that had her was leaving for a doctor's appointment down all the way down in Dallas. So I had to get Sadie and get home. But I just gave the chickens, I sliced up a zucchini and gave it to them. And they'll eat the grass and weeds and bugs. And Sadie, I have some ground turkey I'm going to cook up. And I have some frozen peas that I'll rinse off and add to the ground turkey. And she can eat that. Oh, Spunky's going into my car. Nope. What are you doing? What are you crying for? I just saw you eating. Oh, did I step in fire ants? Say hi to the people. Psst, psst, psst. All right, I'm gonna get in. I need to get some water. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.